50 Korean vocabulary. Mul, water. Pop, rice. Yache, vegetables. Kwail, fruit. Gogi, meat. Pang, bread. Uyu, milk. Kopi, coffee. Mekju, beer. Soju, soju. 친구, friend. 가족, family. 아빠, dad. 엄마, mom. 남자친구, boyfriend. 여자친구, girlfriend. 나라, country. 직업, job. 네, yes. 아니요, no. 시간, time.